In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. For that, you will first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then, among the given options, you will have to select the Withdraw option. After that, in the search bar, you will need to search for USDT, and you simply need to select the USDT option. You will then land on the On-Chain Withdrawal page, where you just have to fill out these details. First, you will have to provide the deposit address or the QR code. To get it, you will need to launch your Binance mobile application and log into your account. Afterwards, tap on the Deposit button at the top, and then tap on Deposit Crypto again. In the search bar, simply search for USDT, and after that, it will ask you to select the network. You will need to select any network you want. Let's say you have selected the BEP20 network. After selecting it, it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address, which you need to copy. Then, go back to Bybit and simply paste the address into the address bar. After that, in the network section, you will need to select the same network you selected in Binance. So, as we selected the BEP20 network in Binance, you will need to select BEP20 network in Bybit as well. Then, in the Amount section, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer from Bybit to Binance. Finally, tap on the Withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal. This way, you will be able to easily transfer your USDT from Bybit to Binance. And that's it. Subscribe, it's free.